Hey guys, so for this video we're going to be trying a bunch of Japanese snacks and candy and drinks and I don't know because I can't read any of the stuff. I'm too excited to film this video, so yeah, I couldn't get ready. So yeah, let's get started. This whole bag of snacks, whole bag of drinks,
Oh my land.
and one thing in the freezer. And she doesn't know any of the stuff I got because she wasn't at the market with me. Okay.
What the heck?
Okay. So she picked this. There's like 4, I don't know. They were like 4 for $2 or I don't know.
Are they different
and then
flavors?
That's what I was just going to say. I don't know if they're different flavors because there's different colors.
They don't really smell gross. They smell like...
Okay.
They smell like chips.
They're little circles. Like they look like Cheerios, but they're like wider. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Like mini Pringles. The original kind.
Ooh, I'm digging this.
I'm thinking these full now.
Glass strawberry. Yeah, these ones are glass. It's really cool. Okay.
Wait, am I
Dude, just wait till you see how you have to open it. Ooh! Look at how cool that is. And then a little marble. It's right there. It goes in your drink.
That's weird.
But it can't come out because it's bigger than this. You want to take it first? Yeah. It's strawberry, by the way.
Oh, this is cool.
Show them. Okay.
This is crazy.
Okay, it looks like that.
That's good.
I tried one at the store. It's just carbonated.
It kind of tastes like a popsicle juice carbonated. It's really good. Pretty good.
Oh,
I want more.
okay. They're marshmallows. I don't know what flavor it is because I guess like inside, it shows right here, like there's something inside, but I don't know what it is.
I feel like they're like lemon or something. Like inside.
I don't know.
Can you smell?
It's just marshmallow. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Lemon. You're right. Or it looks like that inside.
That's
good though.
It's like not liquidy. It's like
Gel.
Author.
Try this. Bite it.
Bite it.
It's a marshmallow.
Do you like it? Oh, you don't. No, you don't like it?
She doesn't like it. You would like these. Because I think that means they're cheese flavored.
We do not
Okay.
like those.
They look like this. So, I don't think I'm gonna like these. They're cheese flavored. I don't really like cheese. They just look like
Ew. Oh,
that.
They smell really gross.
Oh, they don't taste bad.
Oh, they're not like cheesy. Like they smell really cheesy. But
Yeah, they do. They don't taste cheesy at all. Next one is
I don't like cheese stuff. I do like
Cheetos.
cheese stuff. Oh,
Japanese Cheetos.
that's the little guy.
Yeah. But I just think they're salt. Baked corn chips, Cheetos, Marshmallow. I said that wrong, so don't hate me.
Sit like this, baby.
So they look like this.
Yeah.
Like normal Cheetos, just...
No,
they
they
kind of...
don't look like. Oh
Yeah, just like no cheese. Or no chili.
They're kind of like weird.
Twinkle, little.
First they taste fishy, and then it tastes like a Cheeto.
I wonder
Oh, weird.
you are.
And then the aftertaste is fishy.
Can we try one?
Mm-hmm. Try it.
You did.
You didn't. You didn't even bite it. You have to bite it. Ooh, that's my thing that I'm most excited for.
Okay, this is what it looks like, and it's chocolate. Little treats. Oh my god,
Okay,
I'm really excited. I know, I watched his video.
It's not the same one.
I know. Oh, there's two.
But we shouldn't open both because, like...
Oh, yeah. You don't want to waste them. Okay, this is what the little bag looks.
It looks so cute.
Like, it's such, like, a little... Their stuff is packaged really well.
So cute.
No, but, like,
Nobody...
strong, too.
Yeah.
So it's, like... It's really cute. Oh, they're different colors.
Okay.
So it's just like, looks like a little mini cupcake or something.
Yeah.
You ready?
They just look like cupcakes.
Hers is green and mine's white.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, 1,
2, 3.
Mmm. I have like a little wafer or something.
Oh, it tastes like a Whopper on top, and then just chocolate on the bottom.
With a wafer. To that crunch. Oh, that's good. Are they different flavors?
Just chocolate. They're not as good as I thought they were going to be. Okay, next are these.
Always
say
chips.
No, they're not chips. Well, they're like, I don't know. Wheat crackers. That's the only thing it says in English. So. Ooh, these are cool. Oh, they smell weird. I recommend not smelling them.
Okay, I won't. Okay, 1, 2, 3. They're good.
They taste bad. I mean, smell. If someone made me smell them, I'd be like, oh, I wouldn't like that.
These are good.
They taste like...
They're like caramelized. They look like this.
They're just like oddly
shaped, but like in a cube.
Next.
Oh my gosh, I was really excited. I saw
Oreos. But look at them. They're not cookies. Look.
I know, they're like I'm excited to, I'm so excited.
Chocolate bar minis. And we have Kit Kats too. But they're green tea.
The green tea, yeah. See, their package is really strong.
Maybe.
I like orange.
Wow. It rips all easily.
Because you're supposed to rip it.
Oh! They're individually wrapped.
Give me one.
Okay, so they just say...
These are cute.
Oh, they say Oreo cookie bar. And then...
Chocolate bar.
Oh. I lied. I don't know how to read.
I lied. I know, and it's in English. Whoa, these look really cool.
These smell good.
This looks cool. Okay, so it's just like this, and then
like
the bottom. The bottom is like.
Ooh, it has like a design.
Yeah.
Focus. Anyways, you can see.
Here.
1, 2, 3. Oh. Yes.
These are way better than Oreos, honestly.
I think there's like, it looks like that inside. I think that's
There's
not a
in it.
whole. That's like, I think that's like an Oreo cookie, it's like smashed up. Yes.
So good.
I vote yes. Now one without a, I'm gonna sit like this. Okay. This one just like a normal thing. But look how good it looks.
What flavor is it? Peach?
Half and half, green tea with peach.
Ooh. I feel like that's gonna be good, and I don't like tea.
Yeah. Like, I kind of just don't want to try this and take it to school tomorrow.
No.
But we're going to try it, okay? If I can open it. Okay. So it's not carbonated. I want to try it first because we tried those two drinks first.
Yeah.
It's very light. Like,
It's like,
the flavor's not like, bam, peach. It's just like, oh yeah, there's peach.
oh. That's weird. But then you got that taste of tea. It's pretty good.
Taking this to school tomorrow.
I like
Caramel corn.
So, I like that.
They look like little shrimp. I almost got shrimp chips.
Oh my gosh, no.
I really wanted to. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, they're weird. Texture weird.
Right, puffs.
They're
I thought they were gonna be like
crunchy. Right? Crunchy? Like these. I thought they were gonna have this texture as these little like.
But they're like puffs.
Ooh.
They're like cheesy kind of.
Yeah, well that's weird. I was just gonna say that. They kind of taste cheesy. Like they taste
Good.
like Cheeto puffs. But then
like
sweet.
Dude, that's weird.
Oh, probably because they're corn.
So?
And Cheeto puffs are corn chips.
Mmm. These are good. I like them.
Mmm. Yes. Let's go for some mango creamy soda. I'm really excited. Mmm. It smells good. And by the way, all this stuff was made in Japan and shipped here to be in this Japanese market that's really close to our house.
It's kind of weird.
I didn't even try it yet.
We'll try it.
It's kind of weird.
But it's not like gross.
I like it. It kind of tastes like mango and guava.
I've never tried guava.
I have. It's good. It tastes like this. Kit Kat green tea.
A lot of people like these.
Yeah, a lot of people try these and they're like, I like these better than regular ones. So let's just try it. Shall we?
They're individual ones.
Yeah. They're big. How big they are.
But there's two. You crack it half.
Oh, duh. Okay.
You know how they got like...
Yeah.
Just like that.
Oh, they're so cute. Look, they're green.
They smell good. They smell like white chocolate.
Wow, we could have...
Oh, we could have just ate one.
Yeah.
Oh, whatever.
Aw, I made a mess. Okay, they look like this. You just say Kit Kat. They look like normal Kit Kat.
Okay, ready?
Mmm. Do you like green tea? Because it's very green tea. I like green tea ice cream.
Doesn't taste like anything. It tastes like white chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
White chocolate.
No coffee. Okay, I'm really excited.
I want to try this a lot. I feel like it's going to be really strong.
Yeah, I probably will.
And I feel like then I won't like it.
Shake well before opening, so I'm just following directions, people.
That's really good. Just tastes like iced coffee. I'm taking that to school.
No, you're not.
Dibs. You take all this to school tomorrow.
I'm taking it all. This.
Maybe we should drink a drink.
There's only one drink left.
Oh, we just drank a drink.
Yeah. Maybe I'll get the golden ticket.
Now we have our
these Munchie
ice cream bonbons.
Strawberry
Flavored. They also have green
Madison's
tea.
back. Oh, yeah.
Don't double check since day one. Whoa, this is really cool.
This is cool. Like in a tray.
Oh, okay. One, two, three. I can't buy ice cream.
It's not cold on the outside. There's a layer.
Yeah.
The ice cream's in the middle. You have to bite it so that you could get to the middle. It has, okay, it looks like that one.
It's like chewy.
Yeah, and the pink part, it's chewy.
It's like it's like taffy kind of, but like fruit.
It's not disgusting, but... Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. This is the end of the video. We tried all these snacks, and pretty much all of them were good. I mean, obviously some were better than others, but none of them made me want to throw up, so I mean, that's good. And I will see you guys next week. Bye!
Bye.